Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this delicious chicken and potato bake. So let's get right into this video. First, you will need to prepare the chicken. You can use any parts of the chicken of your choice. I used half of a whole chicken. After cleaning and washing your chicken, you need to season it with powder seasoning. Again, you can use any seasoning of your choice. I use pepper flakes, powdered thyme, paprika, lemon and pepper seasonings, dry basil leaf, garlic powder, salt, Old Bay seasonings, and Creole seasoning. Be sure to check the description box down below for the full measurements. After preparing your seasonings, pour the seasoning on top of the chicken along with some olive oil, combined and place aside. If you made it this far, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be the first one to notify whenever I upload. Then you need to prepare the potatoes. Dice about 1.5 pounds of potatoes. Ensure that you cut them as small as possible so that they can cook along with the chicken. If not, the chicken will cook before the potatoes and you don't want that, so be careful. Then you should wash and dry the potatoes with a paper towel or with a dishcloth. Right here I added some pepper flakes, paprika, salt, olive oil, and dry basil leaves. Combined, the basil leaves are optional. After that, prepare your baking container with foil paper or grease it with some oil or butter. Place the diced potatoes into the container and spread. Then I added some chopped carrots and onions, which I prepared off camera. These are to give the potatoes and the chicken more flavor. Then place the chicken on top of the potatoes and place it into the oven to bake for 45 minutes to an hour at 425 Fahrenheit, and be sure to preheat your oven ahead of time. So guys, this is what it looks like after I took it out of the oven. Garnish with oregano, green onions, or any of your favorite garnish ideas. Right here I use oregano. So guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you all enjoy this simple and easy recipe. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also remember to invite your friends and loved ones to become a part of the family. I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace.